Assalamualaikum my YouTube friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, amazing, outstanding and very creative and most demanding denim handbags ideas. Denim handbags are stylish and beautiful and they give a cool and modern look. And big denim bags are very useful and you can carry many things easily. Small denim handbags look cute, they are light and easy to hold. And denim fabric is a strong and durable, it lasts for a long time. A good handbag completes your outfit, it makes you look confident. And denim handbags match with jeans and dresses, they are easy to style and college girls love denim handbags. They look trendy and smart. Working women also prefer denim handbags, they are simple and practical. A handbag shows your personality. Choose one that fits your style and always check the stitching of the bag, and strong stitching means better quality. Look at the zip and handles carefully. They should be strong and smooth. Do not buy only for beauty, always check comfort too. And a heavy bag can hurt your shoulder. Choose a comfortable design. Keep your handbag clean. Clean things look more attractive and do not overload your bag. Too much weight can damage it. Store your bag properly at home. It helps the bag stay in shape. Denim handbags are perfect for daily use. They are simple yet stylish. Printed denim handbags look unique. They catch attention easily. Handbag denim bags show creativity. They have a special touch. Pockets in handbags are very helpful. They keep things organized. A well-designed bag saves your time. You can find things quickly. Good quality fabric is very important. It makes the bag long lasting and fashion changes every year, but denim always stays popular. A neat handbag shows responsibility. It reflects good habit. Choose colors that suit your wardrobe. Smart choices save money. Invest in one good bag instead of many cheap ones. Quality always wins. Take care of your handbag like your favorite item. A stylish bag boosts your confidence. Confidence makes you shine. Do not follow trends blindly. Choose what suits you. A balanced design looks elegant. Too much decoration can look heavy, and soft lining inside the bag protects your things. Details always matter. Adjustable straps give more comfort. Comfort is very important. And denim handbags are for every age. Style has no limit. A good bag is your daily partner. It stays with you everywhere. Stay stylish, stay smart, and choose wisely. Your handbag should reflect your best self. All ideas is very creative, very useful. It's a very beautiful, amazing crafts denim handbags collection and elegant denim crafts bags. It's a very beautiful handmade denim style bags, and these are amazing special denim craft fashion handbags. All ideas is very classic blue denim handbags and creative crafts denim collection and trendy handmade denim bags, denim beauty, crafts with love, smart and stylish denim handbags, premium crafts with denim bags. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Keep watching, keep supporting, and please do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very beautiful, very useful, highly demanding and very amazing different denim handbags ideas. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Take care and goodbye. Thank you.